Hi, I'm Dr. Silvio Cozzetto, and this is another chiropractor and another YouTube video. Today, we have Mr. Duck. Mr. Duck is here today with a little bit of lower back pain and a little bit of neck pain. I'm going to take care of Mr. Duck. Mr. Duck, how are you today? I'm going to feel around, and we're going to have you tilt your head back a little bit. Nice. And we're going to have you tilt your head back and to the right. That's left. Now to the right. That's left. Now to the left. And please lay face down for me. Just feeling around. Nice. And a little swollen in that area. We're going to have you take a deep breath in and all the way out. And that's another adjustment by Dr. Silvio Cozzetto and Mr. Duck.